Hello everyone, I'm Paul Lynn, and this is my course, PLC Programming from Scratch. The first question many people will have, what exactly is a PLC? PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller, and that is the brain behind most types of industrial equipment and machinery. PLC programming is quite unlike computer programming in the traditional sense. When you think of programming language such as Java, Visual Basic, and C++, you imagine lines of code made out of words structured almost like sentences. PLCs, on the other hand, typically run on something called ladder logic, which looks more like an electrical diagram or schematic that has logical blocks or instructions which tell the processor how to function and what operations to perform, thus allowing the PLC to govern the processes around it. If you're interested in learning PLC programming, most likely you're interested in pursuing a career in that arena. As far as careers go, I have 10 years experience programming PLCs, and it opens quite a few opportunities for a person willing to persevere and willing to master the trade. If a person wishes to travel, there's certainly opportunity. Every industrialized nation in the world has a demand for PLC programmers. If you would rather do as I do and stay in the house and work remotely, that's also an opportunity that's more than available. And of course, punching a clock from 9 to 5 in an office is always on the table. The salary for a PLC programmer with some experience is certainly above average, and if you're working as a consultant or as a freelancer, the opportunities are generally even better. As far as learning PLCs, there are plenty of opportunities in different institutes that offer courses. Many of the PLC manufacturers themselves offer courses directly, and the prices of those courses are nothing to sneeze at. If you have a company that's willing to send you to school and pay for those courses, it's certainly worth consideration and investigation. However, if you're looking for the most economic means of learning how to hit the ground running and program PLCs within a month, I would strongly recommend this course, because the purpose of this course is to take a novice, a person with no prior programming experience, with no prior PLC knowledge, and within the duration of this course, teach them how to originate a PLC program from scratch. What this is an introductory to intermediate level course. This will teach 20% of everything there is to know about PLC programming, HMI development, industrial communication protocols, logical operators, PLC ladder instructions. There's so much to learn in this field. But as the 80-20 rule goes, if you have 20% of the knowledge, you can do 80% of the work, and PLC programming is certainly no different. What this course is not is a master course in PLC programming. This is by no means an advanced course that is going to teach every possible detail of PLC programming. This is going to teach the fundamentals and teach them very well. It's going to enable a person to start working functionally as a PLC programmer, not by any means to become a master, to become an expert, to become an instructor on PLC programming. I thank you so much for giving this course a try, and if there's anything I can do to make it better, please don't hesitate to leave me comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. And if you'd like to get a hold of me directly, I'm always available by email, and there's never a time I'm not able to get back to an email within 24 hours. Thanks again. I'll see you soon.